Creating the best center build in NBA 2K25 can help you dominate the paint and support your teammates effectively. So here's how to make a great center. So height and weight. Aim for a height of 7 feet and a weight of about 250 pounds. This size gives you strength and a good reach for rebounds. Now let's talk about attribute focus on key attributes. So rebounding. Max out both offensive and defensive rebounding to grab more boards. Now interior defense. High interior defense helps you block shots and protect the rim. Finishing now. Improve your close shot and driving dunk to score easily in the paint. Badges. Now choose badges that boost your abilities. Rebound Chaser. This badge helps you chase down rebounds more effectively. What about Rim Protector? This increases your chances of blocking shots. What about Backdown Punisher? That's great for backing down smaller defenders in the post. Now let's talk about Takeover Select. Glass Cleaner or Rim Protector as your takeover. This will enhance your rebounding and defensive skills, making you a force on the court. Now with this build, you'll be ready to dominate the game as a center, helping your team win more with strong defense and purposeful and powerful scoring.